Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to look at how you can use Vaseline petroleum jelly to get a glowing skin and at the same time to get a brighter skin. So if you don't know that Vaseline petroleum jelly is the product you need at home, my dear, this is the best video for you, because I am going to tell you what you can mix with this product, when to use this product, and which ingredients you need to mix with this product in order to get a glowing skin. Trust me, if you use this product at least for every day, my dear, you'll be shocked with the results. Okay, so you need Vaseline petroleum jelly. Okay, so after getting this product, guys, I want you to get for me 1 spoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly, 1 spoon from here. Okay, from that, add for me 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, 3 tablespoons. And then from that, in the same container, add for me 1 spoon of natural honey. Okay, 1 spoon of natural honey. But guys, before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe, to leave a comment in the comment section, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, guys. Coach Uganda. And I always tell you guys, I have a new YouTube channel. It's called Family TV Uganda. So if you love my videos, after watching this video, look for Family TV Uganda and subscribe. Because on that YouTube channel, guys, I always upload videos every day. So I don't want you to miss my educative videos, which I always upload. Okay, so you have to look for Family TV Uganda and subscribe. Or what I will do is, I'll tag my channel in the comment section. The first comment which you will see is my YouTube channel. Just click on that link to take you automatically to my YouTube channel and subscribe. So let us proceed. After getting the ingredients which I've told you, 1 tablespoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of natural honey, please put your ingredients in 1 container. Then I want you to cook for me hot water. Get hot boiled water, insert that container which contains your remedies or your ingredients. Mix very well, okay, until your Vaseline dissolves. From that, I want you to transfer your remedy in your favorable container, guys. Then from that, guess what? You are ready to go. Okay, but before using that remedy, guys, I want you to first clean your face. If you have makeup on your face, first clean your face. Okay, first clean your face. Makeup, please first clean your face. From that, I want you to apply that recipe on your face. Massage gently at least for 3 minutes. From that, leave that remedy to stand in your face for 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, use low warm water to clean your face. Okay, don't use hot water, don't use cold water, but use low warm water to clean your face. Okay, you can repeat the procedure every day. Remember, this home recipe doesn't have side effects. You can use it every day. Okay, but don't forget to use your remedy for a long period of time. You can keep it in your fridge. After using it, keep it in the fridge so that it can stay for a long period of time, guys. Why not? You love my channel, subscribe right now, leave a comment in the comment section. And I told you I have another YouTube channel. It's called Family TV Uganda. So if you love my videos, you don't want to miss my videos every day, I'm going to leave the link for my YouTube channel in the comment section. It will be the first comment in the comment section. Just click on that link, it will take you directed to my YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda, and subscribe, guys. Remember, on Family TV Uganda, I upload videos every day, guys. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again. I remain Coach Uganda.